Crash Course, Ohio, USA. Geo Location. Ohio is a state located in the Midwestern region of the United States. It is situated in the Great Lakes region and is bordered by Lake Erie to the north. Ohio shares its borders with Pennsylvania to the east, Michigan to the northwest, Indiana to the west, Kentucky to the southwest, and West Virginia to the southeast. With a total area of approximately 116,096 square kilometers, 44,825 square miles, Ohio is the 34th largest state in the country. Capital and population. Columbus is the capital and largest city of Ohio. As of the latest estimates, the population of Ohio is around 11.8 million people, making it the 7th most populous state in the United States. The state has a diverse population, with a blend of urban, suburban, and rural areas. Economy. Ohio has a diverse and robust economy. It is a major manufacturing hub, with industries such as automobiles, aerospace, machinery, and steel production playing a significant role. The state also has a thriving service sector, including healthcare, education, finance, and technology. Ohio's strategic location and transportation infrastructure contribute to its economic strength. Education. Ohio has a strong educational system, with numerous colleges, universities, and vocational schools throughout the state. Some notable institutions include the Ohio State University, Case Western Reserve University, and the University of Cincinnati. Ohio's commitment to education has led to advancements in research and innovation across various fields. Brief history. Ohio has a rich history that dates back to ancient times. Native American tribes, such as the Shawnee and Iroquois, inhabited the region for centuries. European exploration began in the late 17th century, with French and British interests vying for control. The area eventually came under American control as part of the Northwest Territory. Ohio became the 17th state to join the Union on March 1, 1803. Throughout its history, Ohio played a significant role in the development of the United States, particularly during the Civil War and the Industrialization era. Culture. Ohio's culture is a blend of various influences, including Native American, European, African American, and immigrant traditions. The state has a rich artistic and cultural heritage, with contributions to music, literature, theater, and visual arts. Ohioans take pride in their sports teams, with passionate support for professional and collegiate athletics. Politics. Ohio has a politically diverse landscape, with a mix of conservative and liberal viewpoints. The state is known for its significance in presidential elections, often considered a battleground state. Ohio has produced notable political figures, including several U.S. presidents. Now, let's delve into the top 12 attractions in Ohio State. 1. Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Located in Cleveland, the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame celebrates the history and impact of rock music. It features exhibits, memorabilia, and interactive displays honoring legendary artists. 2. Hocking Hills State Park. Situated in southeastern Ohio, Hocking Hills State Park is renowned for its natural beauty, including stunning waterfalls, rugged cliffs, and scenic hiking trails. 3. The Ohio State House. Located in Columbus, the Ohio State House is a stunning architectural marvel and serves as the seat of Ohio's government. Visitors can explore the historic building, learn about Ohio's political history, and witness legislative proceedings. 4. Cedar Point. Known as the roller coaster capital of the world, Cedar Point Amusement Park in Sandusky offers thrilling rides, live entertainment, and a beautiful lakeside setting. 5. Cincinnati Museum Center. Housed in a historic train station, the Cincinnati Museum Center is home to multiple museums, including the Cincinnati History Museum, the Museum of Natural History and Science, and the Duke Energy Children's Museum. 6. The National Museum of the U.S. Air Force. Located near Dayton, this museum is the world's largest and oldest military aviation museum. It showcases a vast collection of aircraft, artifacts, and exhibits, highlighting the history of aviation and the U.S. Air Force. 7. Amish Country. Ohio's Amish Country, particularly in Holmes County, offers a glimpse into the traditional Amish way of life. Visitors can explore quaint villages, enjoy homemade Amish cuisine, and browse handcrafted goods. 8. The Cleveland Museum of Art. This world-class museum features a diverse collection spanning thousands of years and includes works from renowned artists like Monet, Picasso, and Van Gogh. 9. The Columbus Zoo and Aquarium. Known for its extensive collection of animals and conservation efforts, the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium offers a fun and educational experience for visitors of all ages. 10. Pro Football Hall of Fame. Located in Canton, the Pro Football Hall of Fame pays tribute to the legends of American football. Visitors can learn about the sport's history, see iconic memorabilia, and explore interactive exhibits. 11. The Toledo Museum of Art. This esteemed art museum showcases an impressive collection of artworks from around the world, including paintings, sculptures, glass art, and more. 12. The National Underground Railroad Freedom Center, situated in Cincinnati. This museum explores the history of the Underground Railroad and the struggle for freedom and equality. It features interactive exhibits, educational programs, and thought-provoking displays. In summary, Ohio offers a wealth of attractions that cater to a wide range of interests. From cultural landmarks and museums to natural wonders and amusement parks, there is something for everyone to explore and enjoy in the Buckeye State. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.